All right, I've got some serious questions for you here. So we're not going to play around. You know where I'm coming. You know where I'm coming from. So you know that, like, I don't fuck around. I'm gonna bring it to you.
You going to
I appreciate that.
My first question is, how exactly is the Fu Manchu evolutionarily beneficial?
Oh shit! Oh no way! I didn't think you were gonna ask that. Oh, that's funny.
I mean, I'm not saying I don't like it. I'm just wondering how, is it because more women want to have sex with you? Like, I made sure my girlfriend was out of the house while I did this interview.
So it does
I'm
have
terrified.
sensory capabilities.
Yeah, it's pretty good, man. Looks good.